Hello, my name is Heinrich from GIEBEL. We are specialized in breather dryers. We develop and produce breather dryers for different applications like gears, hydraulic power packs, storage tanks and different other units you have to protect against humidity. Today I want to explain you our series VVD, D like disposable. So you see here the VVD 3M. This adsorber are filled with 0.1 until 4 kilogram of desiccant silica gel, and all GIEBEL adsorbers are assembled with a 3 micron filter unit, so you have always dry and clean air in your system with the usage of a GIEBEL adsorber. All GIEBEL adsorbers are airtight packed. So you receive this cartridge, it's a simple and easy use product. You remove the cap from the thread. You can achieve this adsorber with all sizes of connections, with male or female thread, with BSP, NPT, matrix, slip fit. It's not a problem to adjust on your system. After you remove the cap from the thread, you have to remove the plugs from the air vent holes. Please remove 1 or 2 holes if you ventilate a gear to protect the desiccant against unnecessary loading, and please remove all plugs if you ventilate a hydraulic power pack or a tank to reduce the pressure difference by increasing the diameter for the air which has to flow.